Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Food and Travel. Today we are going to make the perfect Hyderabadi Dum Mutton Biryani with the experts. There is no match to this authentic traditional mutton biryani, and this recipe is specially made by my sister-in-law and my brother who make the perfect dum biryani. And truly speaking, after eating this biryani, we don't like eating any other biryani outside. If you follow the recipe step by step, you will also say the same. I am going to give each minute detail for making dum mutton biryani at home. So let's start the recipe. Cut 3 onions lengthwise and deep fry them in the oil till golden brown for making fried onions. We took 2 kg mutton and washed it neatly. As they say, marination process is a very important step in making perfect biryani. So let's see what all ingredients are added step by step. First, add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and mix very well. Add 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. You can add more or less for adding nice color to the biryani. Again mix very well before proceeding with the next ingredient. Now add around 15 slit green chilies. Add 4 tablespoons of chili powder. Mixing is mandatory while adding each ingredient. Add 3 tablespoons of salt or as per your taste. Now add the fried onions. The 3 onions which we have deep fried in the oil earlier and kept aside. And again mix very well. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add 1 cup mint leaves and 1 cup coriander leaves. Mint and coriander gives a very nice flavor to the biryani. Add lemon juice of 5 lemons. Now add 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Use garam masala powder and coriander powder freshly made at home. Add 2 cups of oil. Use the oil that we have used for frying the onions. Add 1 cup of curd and mix very well. Once all the ingredients are mixed very well, you can feel the aroma in the marination itself. Let the marinated mutton rest for at least 1 hour. And meanwhile, let's prepare the ingredients for the rice. Take 2 kg basmati rice for 2 kg mutton. Wash the rice properly and soak it for at least 30 minutes. Take the whole spices as shown. Shajira, cloves, cardamom, star anise, japatri or mace and cinnamon sticks. Place a large pot with water sufficient for cooking 2 kg rice and add all the whole spices and 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the water boil for 10 minutes before adding the basmati rice. Now add the rice to the boiling water. Mix it once and let the rice cook. By that time, let's knead the all-purpose flour. Knead the flour as shown to place it on the top of the marinated chicken pot. Place the dough as shown around the pot to make it airtight. Also check the rice in between, it should not be overcooked. We have kneaded almost 750 grams of all-purpose flour to cover the pot. Cover the pot as shown so that no air should escape from the pot. At this stage, when the rice starts showing up and the rice is cooked 3/4 but not completely, take out the water and we can add the rice to the marinated mutton. Add generously 4 to 5 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee on top of the rice. Mix little food color in the water and add on the top of the rice. Place the lid on top of the dough on the pot and press it gently and make sure that it is airtight. Place the pot on the stove on high flame. The weight on the top to make it more airtight. Please note that for the first 15 minutes the stove should be on high flame. Next 15 minutes it should be on the medium flame, and for the last 15 minutes it should be on the low flame. Total 45 minutes, and after turning off the stove, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before taking out the lid. And while opening the lid, be very careful as the pressure may suddenly come out. Take out the dough with the help of the knife. The perfect, authentic, traditional Hyderabadi Dum Mutton Biryani is ready to be served. Hope you liked the video, and you can also make perfect biryani at home and enjoy with your family. Please feel free to comment in the comments section if you want to know more about the recipe. And the link of the Mirchi Ka Salan recipe, a side dish for the biryani, will be provided in the description box. Please share with your friends if you like the video. Please do subscribe for more of my videos. Click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.